Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and as per usual I'll get to it. So this is the last sketch of the day, I think, unless I manage to get another couple out, but we shall see. I'm really happy with the overall results. That's about 3 or 4 pages in a row in my sketchbook where all of the sketches actually turned out positively for me. First one took me 3 minutes 10, second one took me 2 minutes 45, and the third one took me 2 minutes 20 seconds compared to 5 minutes 4 weeks ago. So geometric and observational methods combined with good speed, creating the feedback loop for your all-important information to rectify the skills that you want to improve upon or keep the skills and the approach that you had when you were creating the sketch. Let me know what you think, if you're utilising the method, what you would do, what you'd like me to try and sketch next week, because at the end of this week I will be stopping portraits and going on to a different topic. Let me think what it is, but stay tuned and I shall see you next time. Thanks guys!